All the top steel companies in India have moved up quite a bit, which is pretty evident from the metal index. The way the steel industry is shaping up, especially the domestic demand and global prices, looks pretty interesting. India is the world's second largest steel producer. It has a finished steel production at 101 million tons, per capita consumption at 74.1 kgs. Government allowed 100% FDI in the steel sector. National Steel Policy 2017 set targets of 160 kgs per capita consumption by 2030. I have already explained why steel sector for investment now. Click the top right corner link for the latest video. In this video, we will see 3 unknown penny stocks trading below Rs 20 and not get much public attention so far. Alright, I request new members to watch our channel old videos. For example, pertaining to the steel sector, our YouTube channel's first multibagger video is on SAIL, Steel Authority of India, and recommended on our channel at Rs 30. Now it is trading near Rs 100 and has a potential to go beyond Rs 200 levels. I'm Dr. Krish. Welcome to our channel KrisDom Investor. Here you get timely, quality and unbiased opinion on the stocks and investment opportunities. In case you miss it, please watch the KrisDom Investors video on 10 multibaggers from the steel and mining sector.
Around 0.8 tons of coal is used to produce every 1 ton of iron. $3 billion and coils. Wellspun Corp Limited. Special Steels is engaged in the manufacturing of billets. Steel box stock number 6. Flutes, ferroalloys, stainless steel slabs, hot rolled coils stock number 10. This is a penny stock and this company has a 5 and rupees float. The company name is Ion JSW Limited and a listed joint venture plants at Raigarh and Raipur that has a production capacity of 4.0 activities. Keep a stop loss of at least 25% for the long term.
All these 10 multibaggers from the steel sector have delivered excellent returns so far, and we continue to hold them. In this video, we will see 3 unknown penny stocks of the steel sector. Let's move to stock number 1. The company name is ISMT Limited. ISMT Limited is an Indian-based company engaged in the business of manufacturing steel and seamless hollow end tubes. It has strong management. ISMT was promoted in 1977 by a group of technocrats led by B.R. Taneja to produce specialized seamless tubes in India. Beginning with an installed capacity of 15,000 metric tons per annum, ISMT commenced production in 1980 with the installation and commissioning of an SL mill in technical collaboration with Mannesmann Demagmir of Germany. Company highlights are as follows. The largest integrated specialized seamless tube manufacturer in India. One of the most diversified manufacturers of specialized seamless tubes in the world, producing tubes in the range of 6 to 273 mm OD. One of the most modern alloy steel plants in India that produce a wide range of alloy steels from 20 to 225 mm diameter. The current market price is at Rs 9.85 and a 1-year return versus Nifty is 174.3%. Market cap at 144.3 crores. 52 weeks high and low are Rs 13.8 and Rs 2.7 respectively. Operating cash flow is more than 3 times the equity capital. Please pause and examine the rest of the parameters. The positives for this company are it has effectively using its capital to generate profit. ROCE improving in last 2 years. Growth in net profit with increasing profit margin quarter on quarter. Strong cash generating ability from core business. Improving cash flow from operations for last 2 years. Rising delivery percentages. And the negatives are high promoter stock pledges with financial institutions. RSI indicating price weakness. Let's move to stock number 2. The company name is Shah Alloys Limited. Founded in 1990, Shah Alloys Limited is engaged in manufacturing and a range of stainless steel, alloy and special steel, carbon mild steel and armor steel in flat and long products. Shah Alloys is one of the pioneers of the stainless steel flat bars product line. Exporting of military grade steel is one of their specialties. The current market price is at Rs 11.35 and a 1-year return versus Nifty is 20.6%. Market cap at 22.5 crores. 52 weeks high and low are Rs 13 and Rs 4.5 respectively. Operating cash flow is 3 times the equity capital. Please pause and examine the rest of the parameters. The positives for this company are raising net cash flow and cash from operating activity. Effectively using shareholders' fund, return on equity improving since last 2 years. increasing revenue every quarter for the past 2 quarters. Book value per share improving for last 2 years. Strong momentum, price above short, medium and long term moving averages. Negatives are annual net profit declining in last 2 years. Companies with high promoter pledge. Let's focus on stock number 3. The company name is Rathi Bars. Rathi Bars is engaged in the manufacturing of reinforcement steel bars (TMT) and low carbon billets. Rathi has a production capacity of over 1 million tons annually. Being produced at multi-locational state-of-the-art plants, Rathi stands tall as one of the most trusted and reputed brands for high-strength steel bars in the secondary steel sector of India. The company takes pride in being the exclusive licensee for Thermax steel bars for the entire northern India in collaboration with H&K Germany. Through decades, the company has remained at the forefront of the secondary steel sector with numerous techno innovations. It was the first to introduce TOR steel in India in collaboration with TOR Lesteg Steel Corporation, Germany, which ensured a 40% saving in steel consumption. The current market price is at Rs 15.85 and a 1-year return versus Nifty is 35.2%. The market cap at 25.9 crores. 52 weeks high and low are Rs 25.4 and Rs 7 respectively. Operating cash flow is more than 10 times the equity capital. Please pause and examine the rest of the parameters. The positives for this company are company with high TTM EPS growth, virtually debt-free company, ROC, ROE and ROA improving since last 2 years, book value per share improving for last 2 years, zero promoter pledge, companies with raising net profit margins, quarterly as well as TTM basis. Negatives are RSI indicating price weakness, bearish engulfing, that is bearish reversal in daily charts can be observed. Please do let me know in the comment section your opinion on these stocks. Will they turn out to be multi-baggers? I will post some additional points on entry and exit on my members only wall. Please click the join button and enroll. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel by hitting the bell icon. I will see you again in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and your investments.